Why are my Lightroom imported photos showing wrong date timestamps? Imagine organizing your photos and noticing some have the wrong dates and times. It can be confusing and frustrating, especially when trying to sort or find specific shots. Today, we're going to uncover why this happens when importing photos into Adobe Lightroom and how to fix it. First, Lightroom depends on the metadata embedded in your image files to know when a photo was taken. This metadata is called EXIF data. If the EXIF datetime original field is missing or has errors, Lightroom might not read it correctly. For example, if the date uses des is instead of colons or the field is corrupted, Lightroom can't interpret the original capture time. Instead, it might assign the current date and time when you import the photo, which causes the mismatch. Another common reason involves how Lightroom temporarily uses the file system's modified date and time during import. When you add photos, Lightroom first looks at the file's last modified date. If the EXIF data isn't available or unreadable, Lightroom keeps that file system date. This can lead to photos showing the wrong date, especially if the file was edited or moved before import. Time zone differences also play a role. If your camera's time zone wasn't set correctly or daylight saving time was not adjusted, the capture times might be off. Photos taken late in the day or in a different time zone could appear to be from the next day or several hours earlier. Lightroom sorts photos based on capture time, so incorrect time zone settings can make your images appear out of order. Sometimes, Lightroom's catalog or preferences cause these issues. If the catalog gets corrupted or preferences are reset, date and time data might not display correctly. Resetting preferences or updating Lightroom can often resolve these glitches. You can also manually fix incorrect dates within Lightroom. The program has a feature called Edit Capture Time under the Metadata menu. This allows you to select multiple photos and adjust their dates and times in one go. It's a handy tool when many images share the same wrong timestamp. To prevent these issues, always check your camera's date and time settings before shooting. Make sure your camera's time zone matches your location and daylight saving settings are correct. When importing, verify that your photos' EXIF data is intact by using external tools or your operating system's preview functions. If you notice missing or incorrect metadata, you can edit it using software designed for that purpose. If you find that your photos have wrong timestamps after import, try editing the capture time directly in Lightroom. Select the affected images, go to Metadata, then choose Edit Capture Time. You can shift the times by hours or set new dates as needed. If problems persist, resetting Lightroom's preferences can clear any software glitches causing the issue. Understanding how Lightroom reads and applies date and time information during import helps you keep your photo library organized. Checking your camera settings, verifying metadata, and using Lightroom's editing tools will ensure your images are sorted correctly and reflected the true moment they were captured.